Bow window installation is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic appeal and functionality, especially with bow windows Frisco. Our Frisco residential window services specialize in custom bow windows Frisco, offering a wide range of designs to suit any home style. With energy-efficient bow windows Frisco, you can enjoy reduced energy bills and increased comfort throughout the year. Window glass replacement is essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows, including bow windows Frisco. Our Frisco window pane replacement services ensure that your windows remain clear and functional. Whether you need window glass installation Frisco or complete window pane replacement, our experts are here to help. Energy-efficient windows are a must-have for any modern home, and bow windows Frisco are a smart option. Our Frisco window installation experts provide top-notch energy-efficient bow windows Frisco, designed to keep your home comfortable while reducing energy costs. Upgrade your home with our energy-efficient solutions today. Custom window designs allow homeowners to express their unique style and preferences, including bow windows Frisco. Our Frisco window design consultation services offer personalized solutions to create the perfect look for your home. From custom bow windows Frisco to other unique designs, we have the expertise to bring your vision to life. Window frame installation is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows, including bow windows Frisco. Our Frisco window frame installation services address any issues with your window frames, ensuring they remain sturdy and reliable. Trust our experts for all your window frame installation needs in Frisco. Double pane windows are an excellent choice for improving energy efficiency and noise reduction, particularly bow windows Frisco. Our double pane bow windows Frisco offer superior insulation and soundproofing, making them a popular choice among homeowners. Experience the benefits of double pane windows with our expert installation services. Window seal replacement is necessary to prevent drafts and maintain energy efficiency in bow windows Frisco. Our Frisco window seal replacement services ensure that your windows are properly sealed, keeping your home comfortable and energy efficient. Don't let faulty seals compromise your home's comfort. Contact us today. Home window upgrades are a great way to enhance your property's value and curb appeal, especially with bow windows Frisco. Our home window upgrades Frisco services offer a variety of options, including vinyl bow window replacement Frisco and other modern solutions. Transform your home with our expert window upgrade services. Window insulation services are essential for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment, including homes with bow windows Frisco. Our Frisco window insulation services provide effective solutions to keep your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Improve your home's energy efficiency with our professional insulation services. Vinyl window replacement is a cost-effective option for homeowners looking to upgrade their windows, including bow windows Frisco. Our vinyl bow window replacement Frisco services offer durable and stylish solutions that enhance your home's appearance and performance. Choose vinyl windows for a low-maintenance, long-lasting upgrade. Looking for expert bow window installation in Frisco? Our Frisco window installation experts specialize in custom solutions for bow windows Frisco, ensuring your home stands out with style and efficiency. Whether you need energy-efficient bow windows Frisco or vinyl bow window replacement Frisco, we have the solutions to meet your needs. Our Frisco residential window services include comprehensive window design consultation to help you choose the perfect windows for your home. When it comes to window glass replacement and window pane replacement, our Frisco window pane replacement services are second to none, including work on bow windows Frisco. We offer window glass installation Frisco and window glass replacement to keep your windows looking pristine. Our window seal replacement services ensure your windows are airtight, providing excellent insulation and energy efficiency. Trust our Frisco window seal replacement experts to maintain the integrity of your windows. For those in need of window frame installation, Our Frisco window frame installation services are designed to restore the beauty and functionality of bow windows Frisco. We also offer window hardware installation and window sash replacement to keep your windows operating smoothly. Our bow window sash replacement Frisco services are tailored to meet the unique needs of bow windows, ensuring a perfect fit and finish. Upgrade your home with our Home Window Upgrades Frisco, featuring energy-efficient windows and bow windows Frisco. Our window insulation services and window weatherproofing Frisco solutions help reduce energy costs and improve comfort. We also provide window caulking services Frisco to seal any gaps and prevent drafts, enhancing your home's energy efficiency. Our Frisco window maintenance services include window trim installation and window leak installation for bow windows Frisco. We offer window screen installation and window style consultation to enhance your home's curb appeal. Our bow window style consultation Frisco services help you select the perfect design to complement your home's architecture. Concerned about window replacement cost for bow windows Frisco? Our bow window replacement cost Frisco services are competitively priced, offering value and quality. Our Frisco window design consultation services ensure you get the best windows for your budget and style preferences. Trust our Frisco residential window experts for all your window needs, from installation to maintenance. Choose our residential bow window services Frisco for comprehensive solutions tailored to bow windows Frisco. Our window maintenance services and window caulking services Frisco ensure your windows remain in excellent condition year-round. Whether you need window weatherproofing Frisco or window screen installation, we have the expertise to deliver exceptional results.